Welcome back to Future Tech, the channel where we explore cutting-edge technology and innovations that are shaping the future of various industries. Today we have an exciting episode lined up for all you contractors out there. Whether you're in construction, renovation, or any related field, we've got you covered. Our today's topic is what every contractor needs to know and have in technology, so grab your hard hats and let's dive into the future of contracting. Number 10. Switchboard Ultra Pku. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have the Switchboard Ultra Pku, a revolutionary composite decking with a 37mm thickness resistant to warping, rot, and rust. It's perfect for various projects, free from plasticizers, ensures food industry suitability. It's liquid resistant, including wine and coffee spills, passes fire abrasion and slip tests, backed by a 10-year warranty. Your choice of color and texture completes the package. Number 9. 3D printed clay blocks. At number 9, traditional meets innovation with 3D printed clay blocks using abundant tepitate, mixed with cement, lime, and water. These blocks are effortlessly 3D printed layer by layer, eliminating the need for formwork. This technology accelerates construction, enables versatile designs, and was showcased at an architecture festival with a 3D printed pavilion roof embodying tradition and technology. These clay blocks reshape construction possibilities. Number 8. Eco Ground Guard. Next at number 8, Eco Ground Guard is a dual-purpose grid-enhancing aesthetics and water management. It reinforces soil, preventing flooding in grass or gravel, with a 250-ton load capacity, eco-friendly with recycled polyethylene. Its clip system eases installation. Each pallet covers 25 square meters, making it ideal for parking lots and outdoor spaces. Number 7. Precast Concrete Box Culvert. Taking us to number 7 is a milestone in precast concrete technology. A US-based company pioneers precast concrete box culverts, revolutionizing water and sewer pipe protection. Versatile in sizes and customizable, these sections extend to bridges, tunnels, and warehouses. They highlight innovation's impact on traditional construction materials. Number 6. Ephesus Bolt Protect. Introducing Ephesus Bolt Protect, a solution that's as simple as it is ingenious. Leaky joints from bolts on roofs can now be prevented with an innovative membrane. This membrane, composed of ethylene propylene rubber, requires no torch or adhesive. A surface treatment with Primo is all it takes, highly resistant to UV rays and frost. This material adapts to bolt shapes, ensuring watertight seals from new projects to maintenance. Ephesus Bolt Protect enhances durability and minimizes the risk of leaks. Number 5. Lift Hoist. At number 5, the Lift Hoist combines ladder and hoist features with capacities of 113 to 181 kilograms. Electric and gasoline models offer flexible lifting for construction, solar panel installation, and more. With solar panel and plywood transport capabilities, it's a key asset in the expanding realm of solar energy utilization, streamlining rooftop work. Number 4. Spin Screed. Discover Spin Screed, a game-changing solution, transforming concrete screeding. With the construction industry booming and over 1.6 million US building permits, Spin Screed accelerates processes. It guarantees precise, clean screeding suitable for novices. Choose from battery or fuel power for flexibility. Its flatness and surface quality outshine vibratory screeds, making Spin Screed essential for contemporary construction. Number 3. Geoplast's new elevator. Our countdown reaches number 3, featuring Geoplast's new elevator, an Italian innovation that marries sustainability and simplicity. Made from recycled polypropylene, this formwork system is highly adaptable, fitting projects of all sizes. Used in projects such as a 25,000 square meter campus and even a cold store, this system reduces work duration by up to 80%. Its ventilated cavity feature prevents humidity-related issues, showcasing how innovation can enhance both efficiency and quality in construction. Number 2. Zellage. At number 2, we present Zellage, a timeless technology that's been captivating people since the 10th century. These Moroccan tiles, originally handcrafted, have evolved into a more affordable yet still intricately detailed option, still retaining traditional production methods. These tiles bring artistry to modern spaces. With over 70 designs available, Zellage tiles seamlessly blend tradition and innovation, adding an elegant touch to interiors. Number 1. Excel Joint. And finally, our number 1 spot goes to Excel Joint, a company that's reshaping rooftops to serve a dual purpose. From creating sprawling rooftop gardens in Paris to introducing blue roofs that manage rainwater efficiently, Excel Joint is redefining how we use and interact with rooftops. Whether it's providing green spaces, energy efficiency, or improved sound insulation, Excel joint is at the forefront of transforming urban landscapes. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 technologies every contractor needs to know and have in their arsenal, from groundbreaking construction materials to innovative tools that make work more efficient. The future of contracting is looking brighter than ever. Stay tuned to Future Tech for more exciting glimpses into the technological wonders shaping our world. Thanks for joining us. And until next time, keep building the future.